Hey lovely mums, it's Nidhi here, and today I'm doing another review for a Little Cough's cough syrup, the raspberry flavor. And as you can see, I've already got a sore throat, and that's why this is the third bottle that we bought for our home, and I'm going to start using this from today. So my sore throat, I think it's because of the weather change that's drastically changing, and I'm fully confident that Little Cough's cough syrup is gonna help me a lot with this to get better. Stay tuned for the results. Bye.